When you're ready, take a moment to get comfortable, either sitting or lying down, where you won't be disturbed for a short time. And as you settle in, allow yourself to take a slow, deep breath in and gently let it out. Feeling a sense of calm begin to fill your body. As nobody wants anything, nobody needs anything. This is your special time, and any sounds around you or in the distance will just help you to relax more and more. Now, allow your eyes to close and take another slow, deep breath. And as you breathe out, allow your body to begin to soften, releasing any tension you may be carrying. And allow your mind to become quiet and calm, ready for a journey inward. Starting at the very top of your head, imagine a warm, gentle light. And this light brings deep relaxation, softening each area it touches. And let it spread across your scalp and forehead, releasing any tightness. And as you feel your forehead smooth, your eyes become heavy, and any tension around your eyes just melts away. Now, allow that warm light to drift down your cheeks, your jaw, and your mouth. As your jaw begins to loosen, letting go of any tightness there. With each breath, you feel your face growing more and more relaxed, soft, and peaceful. Allow this light to move down through your neck and shoulders, melting away any weight or stress, as if a heavy burden is just lifting. Feeling your shoulders gently drop, allowing them to fully relax. Now, let this soothing light travel down each arm, through your upper arms, elbows, forearms, all the way into your hands and fingers. Feel your arms becoming heavy, relaxed, and warm. Each finger feels soft, loose, and calm. As you bring your attention now to your chest, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your breath. And with each inhale, allow calmness to flow in. And with each exhale, releasing any remaining tension as you drift down deeper and deeper, your chest relaxing you deeply, feeling open and at ease. Now allow this warmth to move down into your belly. Breathe softly, allowing your belly to soften, feeling a gentle warmth and peace spread throughout. Now, let this relaxing light drift down through your hips and lower back, melting away any tension in this area. Feeling fully supported, deeply relaxed and calm. And as you allow this warmth to travel down through your thighs, knees, and into your calves, with each breath, feel your legs becoming heavier, more deeply relaxed, and completely at ease. Allowing the light flow down to your ankles and feet, all the way to the tips of your toes. Letting go of any last bits of tension. Your whole body feels soft, calm, and deeply relaxed. From your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. Now Now, in a moment, I'm going to count from 5 to 1. And with each number, you can allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper, feeling more relaxed and ready for this journey. 5. Sinking deeper. 4. Drifting further into calmness. 3. 2. And 1. You're now deeply relaxed, feeling calm, safe, and ready to explore. Now I'd like you to imagine yourself standing on a peaceful path in a beautiful landscape. As you take a moment to notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you. At the end of this path, you see a doorway. And this doorway leads you to one of your past lives, a life that holds insights and wisdom for you. And when you're ready, begin to walk down this path toward the doorway. As you take each step, feel yourself moving deeper into relaxation, moving closer to the memory of a past life that is waiting for you to explore. Now, reach out and open the door. And as you step through, you find yourself in another time, another place. Take a moment to look around and let this past life come into focus. Taking in your surroundings, notice where you are. Looking down at your feet, notice what you're wearing. What is the ground beneath your feet like? Feel the air around you, whether it's warm or cool. And notice if there are any particular smells or sounds. Just allow the scene to reveal itself naturally, at its own pace. Now I'll ask you a few gentle questions. There's no need to force any answers, just allow whatever images, thoughts or feelings to come to mind. Where are you in this past life? Think about what you see around you, whether it's indoors or outdoors, in a village or perhaps in nature. Notice what time period this feels like. Are there any clues about the era, like your clothing, the landscape, or the style of buildings? Now focus on yourself. How old are you? Are you young, middle-aged, or perhaps older? Do you sense any people around you? Who are they? Are they friends, family, or people connected to you in some way? What is your role in this life? Are you doing any kind of work or have a purpose here? Let your role in this past life reveal itself to you. Notice how you feel in this life. Are you happy? Content? Peaceful? Or maybe experiencing a challenge? Allowing yourself to sink deeper into this memory. As you explore this life, noticing anything that feels important, special, or meaningful to you. Now, take a few moments to reflect on this life. And as you do, ask yourself, is there a lesson or a message from this lifetime that you can bring back with you to support and guide you in your present life. Allow the wisdom of this life to gently come to you. It may be a feeling, a message, or an understanding. It could be a lesson about love, resilience, courage, or a truth that will help you find peace and clarity now. Allow yourself to receive this wisdom fully, knowing that it's meant to support and uplift you in your present life. You may even feel the wisdom settling into your heart, bringing a feeling of calm or strength with it. Trust this message, however it comes, is here to help you. Now, in a moment, it will be time to leave this past life memory, knowing you can always return if you wish. So take a moment to feel gratitude for the insights and experiences you received. And as you say a gentle goodbye to this place, to the people you may have met, and to the wisdom you've gathered, now turn and begin to walk back toward the doorway. And as you move toward it, feel yourself becoming lighter, more awake, and bringing with you the insights you've gathered. And as you step through the doorway, closing it gently behind you, and find yourself back on the peaceful path where you began, feeling refreshed and calm. I'm going to begin counting up from 1 to 5, and with each number you'll feel more awake, more present, bringing back all the calm and insight from this journey. 1. Beginning to return. 2. Feeling more awake. 3. Noticing your body and surroundings. 4. Feeling refreshed and alert. And 5. Opening your eyes, feeling fully awake, calm and at peace. Taking a deep breath in. And whenever you're ready, opening your eyes, return to the present moment, carrying with you the wisdom and insights from your journey, in your own way, in your own time.